We've already tried the classic adobo, humba, and pininyahang adobo. Now we're going to try adobo sa gata. Medyo mahirap tong mahanap ha, kasi sa lahat ng grocery stores na pinuntahan ko, wala akong mahanap na adobo sa gata. So I ordered via NutriAsia sa TikTok. Now I'm going to try itong adobo ni Stel. You see, I've tried cooking adobo with gata, and yung ginamit ko dun is yung pork. Initially, I wanted to cook adobo sa gata with pork, but now I decided to cook it with chicken. Kasi pag pork heavy and then gata creamy, heavy, and very rich, baka mamaya mag-overpower yung element ng bawat isa. And of course, gata really works well with chicken. Actually, my expectation is just simple, no? How can you make it still adobo and at the same time complement it with the rich and creamy flavor of the gata? Yun lang naman. In true essence, and after 3 cooking videos, I will trust the process just right here. So I have here my chicken, roughly 1 to 1.2 kilogram. Isasama ko na lahat. And of course, I just have this dato puti adobo sa gata. Now, what I wanted to know is whether magbabalanse ba yung adobo at saka yung gata. Okay? And kung paano siya mananatili dito sa blend na ito. So, first smell. Okay, amoy na siyang latik from the very beginning. So, ibig sabihin nito, there's some sort of processing na nangyari. And if you're going to look at the sauce, para siyang arnibal na minimension ko. Parang sobrang lapot niya. Buhos na natin. Oh my God, it's so creamy. Ang lapot, okay? So, ito yung sinasabi ko, oh. Look how creamy the sauce is. Diba? Ang lapot niya. Hindi po siya malabnaw, no? So I'm feeling very good about this one. And, okay. Wow. Ang lapot, oh. So, after 30 minutes, now we're going to check. So, I'm gonna use 1 cup of water. Share ko lang sa inyo, no, parang a cousin is going to visit later for dinner. And then, tinanong ko siya kung anong gusto niyang ulam, no? So, I asked her, adobo ba, pork nilaga, or fried chicken? Sabi niya, adobo. So, sobrang sakto that this will be our dinner later, diba? Simmer na natin siya, okay? You know, what I really observe about cooking this one is that hindi ko pa siya sinisilip, pero amoy na amoy mo na yung adobo at sa gata sa buong bahay mo. Sobrang savory. So with this one, I can already see na malapit na siya mag-thicken. Okay, for this purpose, I'm just gonna leave this uncovered for roughly siguro 4 to 5 minutes. Iwanan ko lang siya na naka-uncover just to further reduce the liquid. And then kapag nakita ko na medyo nagmamantika siya, then it's almost ready for serve. It's almost ready to serve. So guys, I'm here and this is the first time na talagang yung adobo na niluto ko is going to be served for dinner. So pardon me, may mga kasama ako dito pero hindi ko sila isasama sa camera. So I have here, pork tonkatsu with cabbage and white onion. And then of course, meron tayo ditong roasted sesame dressing to have white rice. Okay, so now, my wings. Of course, wings. Then, okay na mag-double dipping kasi ubos to for sure. So, ito yung sauce. Sobrang thick nung sauce niya. Sobrang thick. Ganun naman talaga pag may gata. Nagiging siyang thick, rich yung lasa, and of course, very creamy. I'm going to taste it first without the rice. Sarap. Gets ko na ngayon. Of course, ang una kong tinry talaga is yung classic adobo, and then tinry ko yung humba, tinry ko din yung pininyahan. So this one is, even though sobrang rich ng gata, parang medyo binabalanse ng timplang to yung adobo. Actually, recommended na maglagay dito ng siling green or siling pang sigang. Diba? Ang kulang lang dito ang hang. Kaya unfortunately, bumabaha po dito. So, hindi nakarating yung Grab. Char. I'm going to be very honest. I think I will try this with pork. Kanina kasi, ang worry ko talaga, if liempo, sobrang mataba, sobrang mataba at sobrang rich na tong gata, hindi siya magbe-blend well. Pero recommended din dun sa packet na pork or chicken. So I think medyo tinone down nila yung richness nung gata so that if you're going to use this for pork dishes, magko-complement pa din. So, masarap siya. Diba? Okay, lastly, I'll try the legs. Diba? Sarap yung cabbage lang. Magsasalad naman ako after nito. Baliktad. So far, naka-4 na akong adobo. Yung classic, humba, pininyahang adobo. Tapos itong adobo sa gata. Which one is your favorite so far? Ito.
Kaso wala lang anghang.
Walang anghang. Actually, ira-round to ko to nalalagyan ko ng sili. Paparating pa lang mga 30 minutes pa darating yung Grab. 2 days ago, nagluto ako ng adobo sa gata ng Dato Puti. And of course, masarap naman. Yun yung general comment. So, ang comment lang ng sister ko is that it could have been improved greatly if kapag may anghang. And nakalagay naman talaga sa instructions, magdagdag ng green chilies. So, during that time, bumabagyo talaga dito sa Metro Manila and walang mga gulay sa groceries. But luckily, I now have green chilies. So, I'm just going to reheat this one and then I'm gonna put these green chilies. I used 2 and you can use just a few slices if you want. Hindi ko siya gagawing sobrang maanghang to the point na magiging siyang spicy adobo because that will be our last episode. So I'm just gonna put a little. Okay. And then I'll be back. So now, I'm going to try this with the reheated version and of course with the green chili peppers. Okay. I don't know kung ito yung green chili peppers na sinasabi nila. Hindi naman nila sinabing Thai chili pepper. So, feel ko ito yon. I'm going to taste it. Okay. This is actually a glow up. Mas masarap kapag merong green chili peppers. It's not too spicy. It just gives that enough spice that you need when you have gata. Naging loyal, talagang parang ang inisip ko lang talaga, I'm not going to taste adobo sa gata na maanghang because there will be spicy adobo. But there is a reason why it's an optional for you to add green chili peppers and you should add. Kasi sometimes when you use creamy or when you use rich sauce, lalo na yung gata na nakakapagpa-creamy ng mga dishes, you sometimes like a different taste profile to cut that creaminess. Sometimes you use sweet, sometimes you use pepper, but sometimes you need to use some spice, no? Panalo. This is much better with this. So, if you want me to test out the last spicy adobo recipe, the spicy adobo or adobo ni Josh, comment down below. And thank you so much kasi umabot kayo sa 4th episode ng aking adobo series. Matatapos ko na siya soon. Thank you so much, guys. Highly recommended din siya. Sobrang sarap ng adobo ni Stel. Bye! Thank you!